guys, today I'm doing these things, which is I'm building my SMMA, my business system again. So, first thing is, guys, as you know that it's already today is already 8:43 p.m. and it's today is Sunday, May 18th. And since first thing, guys, let me tell you that I have been thinking about this and I made today decision that what I'm going to do. Okay, so as you know that since I have got my two SMMA client, or I have my currently two clients, and the first one whom I am working right now, or I'm still advertising. You guys can see that it's his, which is CRM, and if I go to the today, which is April 18, you guys can see this campaign is still running. If I do this, you guys can see we have got two leads. One of them, I recently talked with him. He kind of sound like a foreigner, but he was from our own country, and he was typically or know everything. Now he just had to talk with his partner. And the second one, he also has book appointment. So you guys can see we have done this thing, but overally this is thing which is I'm working with my client. Okay, this is thing I'm working with my client, and oh, it's light, guys, there, but okay. And since this is the work with my first client, and since today I have done everything from automation, from backend system, from ads creative, from campaign structure, from everything for my second client. And guys, it's ready now. I tried to call my that second client just earlier, but he did not respond. So yeah, I will. I have voiced him, and he has not replied yet. Maybe he might be somehow busy. So that is the two things that is happening right now. And since, let me tell you that what decision I made. So first thing, guys, I still really don't know about my agency SOP, SIP, or I still don't really have a system in the place, or I'm still doing everything manually. Or yeah, what I learned is that today, if I stop doing everything what I do today or always, then my business or it's going to be stuck. That is why I need a system and I know what to do. So I have got the plan, what to do, and execution, everything. And yeah, first thing, it was my offer. I have got that. It's my services pricing that is also. And right now, I'm guys creating my which is self called presentation here. I just had to some manage it, and I'm creating from Canva. And yeah, this is how I really create it. It's somehow, I'm trying to be honest with you guys. This is how I was making. I'm trying to make everything from, if I show you through the grid view, this is the my sales call, which is probably it's pages. And yeah, it's from like this. It's 40 pages. I know it might really seem huge, but yeah, this is what I was doing today. Since I did started doing after I completed, which is my client, which work, and I told him, and yeah, somehow that is what is happening. And since now I know it might not happen in one day, like making my system and it's perfect. It will happen, but I have to first today take action from even little bit. That is what I really know, that if I want to get succeed, or if I want something to achieve, it cannot be achieved within one day. Even if I try to do massive thing with massive motivation, I will get to the, which is like feeling like lost, something like that eventually, because I never knew that what I exactly had to do, or a little impact thing might really impact you always or daily basis. Well, I know that is one thing. And since these days I'm learning a lot of things, guys, like look, from my that probably my that potential client, I probably had cold call 3 months ago. He said I was not professional. He said he wanted to meet with me personally, whether I was legit or not. He even said that my words were not seem truly, even though I said that I just got an appointment for my that client. He was saying no, you are lying. And yeah, he was still interested, means he just don't trust me, and he said you just change this thing. So yeah, and with my that 20 clinic or 20 practices which that client owns, he probably has not replied yet. Yeah, he has not, and second also has not replied. But yeah, so guys, if you really want to know, actually get your client, or even before that you think about your kind, actually guys, I recommend you to anyone who is starting out, or even this first thing, pick your services you got, you who's or which thing you really want to provide your services in, and your needs and your services you have got that, and your outreach. And once you start doing it, now just being consistent, learn from your each no, by even you do DM, cold call, or anything, and eventually you will succeed. I know it's too much basic, but this is what I want you to guys tell, is that I think it's not really about being try to be perfect from starting, but being consistent over time and learning from each mistake. And this is how I really think the success happens. And yeah, I think guys, right now my this hand, it's getting pain because I'm not really used to on this hand to uh take this phone and making like this video, because I always make like this way. So yeah guys, I think that this is all I want to tell you. And since guys, as you know that, if I again show you, this is the data of today's, and we got only two lead. We have already spent it $1. We Our cost per result is getting high, because look guys, I think now Facebook is really giving us only quality leads. I know why. Because look, the today this one lead which just recently came in, if I show you, from which is, yeah, let me guys show you. You guys can see that this lead recently came in this one here, which is probably 15, 16, 17, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably in 6 to 7 time. And I talk with him, he is going to do full arch dental implant, but since he has got the idea what is the pricing, but he wanted to talk with his partner. And this lead, which are probably in 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., yeah, he had fill out that form in this time, and he had book appointment, but he's too much far away from my client's practice. But he said that he would come after 3 days. So yeah, that is exactly guys, these patients are quality. And yeah, now we are also getting the higher, which is cost per result. I know I have to now make another campaign or scale it or make a strategy to do it, but right now I'm not going to touch it. Okay, I want this campaign to run it for some around days, probably 7 or 8 days. And this is what is actually guys happening. Okay, and since we haven't really run any campaign, then this one which we are running, if I show you, okay, you guys can see this is only campaign we have been running. And somehow yesterday we probably got good leads, which was 5. And our cost per result, you guys can see everything. And today it has some change. Okay, yesterday was yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. So you guys can see somehow our CTR is almost below 3, and we have expanded this, but leads not there. And I know, and yeah, I think this is probably all data I've got here. And if I go to the ads level, you guys can see this is the ads, which is the our camp winning one, that has generated probably from, not the probably, from April 16 to April 18. You guys can see it has generated 20 leads, and with cost per result 36 cents, with everything above 5. Yeah, I think this is what I want you guys, and it's pretty much decent. Okay, I think this campaign result is, yeah, there still need to be improvement, but you guys can see from April 16 to today May 18, and today time is this, and this is the data we have got a result for my that first client, and this is right now still active because this ad set is winning one. We have got this leads which is quality lead, and we have also changed our funnel so it has become more qualified, or we have get more quality leads from this ad set which we are running there. So yeah guys, I think this is what I want you guys to learn from this video. Is that first thing how I get those results is that I did their detailed targeting, interest, demographic, and behavior. And since I had not like broad targeting, because lead generation does not work broadly like just targeting whole country, because it's just specific local people. That is why around 5 kilometer I think that is. And since I've got manual placement, I've got $2 daily budget which is ABO, because we have only got the one ad set running right now, even though we have three ad set right now, which is all of just one ad set on, and it is ABO we have run. Okay, so yeah, I think guys that is all for today's video, and I'm, yeah, excited to share more with you because look. And yeah guys, I remember that just recently in 2 days, in probably two videos before I was saying that I was talking with this doctor Niraj, and yeah, that is the guy, or that is the doctor. He said I was not professional, I was not legit. He did not really believe me. Okay, I know it happened because first I said I would give you result like this specific, but after that, after a month I worked with my dad first client, I got payment. Now I had changed something, so he was kind of not trusting me. That is why happened. So I think yeah, that is all for today's video, and as always, guys, it's me Sangha, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you in tomorrow morning or evening. And yeah, and guys, yeah, take care and also take action and anything you are doing right now. And yeah, guys, so that is all for today. And yeah, guys, so peace and yeah, guys, bye bye.